Videos circulating on social media highlight the severity of the damage. The State Unit of Civil Protection and Firefighters of Jalisco reported that the eye of the hurricane was located approximately 50 kilometers from Puerto Vallarta and 105 kilometers from Cabo Corrientes. The road connecting to the municipality of El Grillo has also been flooded, making it impassable. The Autlan de Navarro municipality, located on the southern coast of Jalisco, has experienced severe flooding. The hurricane's winds have been reduced to 165 kilometers per hour, and it continues to move east-northeast. The hurricane struck one day after Tropical Storm Max hit the southern Pacific coast, causing significant flooding. The hurricane has caused extensive damage and flooding in the Autlan Navarro region. The government has deployed civil protection elements and set up temporary shelters in the affected areas. Scientists have raised concerns that storms like Lydia are becoming more powerful and intense due to climate change, emphasizing the importance of global efforts to address climate change. Roads have been obstructed in the Ahuacapan allegation due to the flooding. Rivers, including the Tuangian River and streams like El San Regio, El Salado, and El Cristiano, have overflowed, affecting numerous houses and buildings. Many public facilities have been damaged as a result of the hurricane. In the state of Nayarit, 376 people have sought shelter in 25 shelters. Flooding has been severe enough to displace cars, causing them to float in the floodwaters. Fallen trees and landslides have been reported on roads in the municipalities of Bahia de Banderas and Compostela. Emergency shelters have been set up, and the Municipal Civil Protection Unit is responding to water leaks in residential homes. Downgraded to Category 2. Hurricane Lydia, initially a Category 4 hurricane, has been downgraded to Category 2 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Communication difficulties in the coastal and mountainous areas, along with power outages, are hampering efforts to assess the full extent of the damage. A red alert has been issued for multiple municipalities in Jalisco and Nayarit due to Hurricane Lydia.